In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently filter chats in Microsoft Teams. If you're like most of us who juggle multiple conversations, projects, and team collaborations throughout the workday, you know how quickly things can become unmanageable. But with a few simple steps, I'm going to show you how to bring a bit more order into your digital workspace. So let's dive right in. To begin your journey towards organizing your Microsoft Teams chats, the first thing you'll want to do is sign in. Head over to your preferred browser and type in teams.microsoft.com. From there, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This ensures you have the proper access to all of your chats and groups, so make sure you're using the correct credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is where the magic happens. Next, we're going to navigate to the heart of your conversations, the Chat tab. On the left sidebar, look for the item conveniently labeled Chat. A simple click opens up your chat list, revealing all of your past and ongoing conversations. Now, if you're familiar with Teams, you know that this list can be quite overwhelming, especially if you're involved in multiple threads at once. This is where our next step comes into play. Now we're heading to the filter function, which is going to be your best friend when it comes to organizing and locating specific conversations quickly. Look at the top of your chat list right above where all your conversations are displayed. Here you'll spot the filter icon, which is shaped like a funnel. Click on this icon and you'll see a search field appear. This search functionality is incredibly useful when you're trying to track down specific conversations or threads. In this search field, you can type in a name, a keyword, or a phrase related to the chat you're looking for. For example, if you type in project, the list will automatically update to show only chats that contain that particular word. This helps in narrowing down your options to the most relevant conversations without having to scroll endlessly through the entire list. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your Microsoft Teams experience into a more streamlined and functional workspace. Filtering through your chats can significantly cut down on time spent searching, allowing you to focus more on what's important. Remember, organizing your digital communications is just as crucial as organizing your physical workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips bring you one step closer to mastering Microsoft Teams. See you in the next video.